because temperatures, we get one more day with that breeze. 70s along the coast, near 90 for the valley and hills. In the Sierra, we'll be in the 70s. Now, I know that's still hot when you're working on a freeway, but what we're expecting is going to be much more intense. Wanted to check in with our air quality for tomorrow. We'll stay in the good range. This is the time of year where we start really marking the ozone. How much pollution are we building, especially with this stagnant air over us? And right now, things are looking okay. Always best in these times of big heat to kind of curb our driving and all those gas-powered vehicles as well. Excessive heat warning that goes into place on Thursday at 11 a.m. last through Saturday. Highs 100 to 113. Possible records, very high heat risk, and it's through the entire valley and the Delta. Right now, Gilmore Backyard, we're at 83 degrees for Sacramento, Stockton 83, 84 for Modesto, 88 a few clouds for Marysville, 67 with sunshine for Tahoe, and just tracking a few showers way north of us. It's Flag Day, and Gordon submitting this beautiful photo. He kind of superimposed some clouds in the foreground there. I said, how'd you take that picture? So he was describing to me how he did it. Upload photos just like that on the ABC 10 app. Just hit the weather tab, scroll down. Not only can you be a part of the Weather Force team, but you can also track conditions as this high pressure ridge builds in dangerous heat, especially by Thursday. This is sinking warming air, classic setup that we see during the summer months when it is just really oppressive through the valley with very little break overnight. Lows will only be near 70. So tomorrow we're still doing okay. We have a lake wind advisory up top for the Sierra. Highs are in the 70s for tomorrow, 70s and 80s as we move down the hill with morning lows in the 50s. It's the 5-day forecast where we start to see those highs near 90. Now we're also tracking a slight chance of a thunderstorm popping up on Friday, and that certainly would elevate the fire danger. Highs in the 70s along the coast tomorrow. We're at 93 for Fairfield, so starting to see some of those 90s squeak in here. 91 for Patterson and Turlock, Manteca as well, 92 for Lodi. Not much of a breeze coming in, at least less of a breeze than what we saw for today. So morning lows start off around 50 to 55, but those highs are going to be in the low 90s. A look at the 10-day forecast, and really this is the time to prepare. Say, all right, how can I get some stuff done earlier in the morning than say the afternoon? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, if you can. Try to get things done earlier in the morning. If you have to be outside, just try to minimize, especially the time during the afternoon. Highs are going to cool next week into the 90s, but this type of heat, wow, has it got us thinking about the drought conditions. So Be Water Smart, save 200 gallons of water a day by checking for toilet leaks and dripping faucets. Find out how at bewatersmart.info.